friends, this is Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking asparagus in a microwave. So the first step is we need to trim the asparagus, so I'm just going to cut off the bottom ends and throw them out. Now I will put the asparagus in a microwave safe dish and add a 1/4 cup of water and close it with a lid. Now let's put it in a microwave and set the time for 3 minutes. Now the asparagus is done cooking, so let's take this out. To my taste, the asparagus at 3 minutes is perfectly cooked. If you like softer asparagus, you can do it for 4 minutes instead, but I find that 3 minutes is exactly right. And while the asparagus is hot, it also continues cooking while it cools down. So it's green and crispy, perfectly cooked asparagus in a microwave, ready in 3 minutes. How is that for an easy recipe? For more easy recipes and cooking tips, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel. Hope you enjoy this recipe, and I'll see you next time.